Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. Today we'll see a lead code question: employees whose manager left the company. Here we have given table employees which contains employee ID, name, manager ID, salary. And we'll jump into the question. Find the IDs of employees whose salary is strictly less than 30,000 and whose manager left the company. When a manager leaves the company, their information is deleted from the employees table, but reports still have their manager ID set to manager that left. Okay, that means if the manager left, that manager id will be assigned to employee id, and that information will be present on the given table, but that manager information won't be present on the given table. So we need to, this is the logic we are going to apply here, and we need to return the result table ordered by employee id. Here we have given example test case which contains employee table and information of employee id, name, a manager id, salary. We can see here for employee 3, manager is 9, and we have manager uh, information here, that means the manager is not left for from the company. So if we take 12, employee id 12, the manager id is null, that means he is the manager. And if we take 11, so for 11 manager is 6, but we don't have information of employee 6 here, that means that manager left the company. Okay, so we need to return the 11, and this is the explanation for this test case. So before going to solution, please pause the video and try for your solution. So I'm jumping into the solution with the select employee id. We need to select, right, and we are selecting from employees. So whenever we get a relation like employee and manager relation, then we will do we'll do join here, and on employee I'm taking this as M. On e dot employee id, we have this manager id 2 here, that's why we are taking e dot manager id should be equal to m dot employee id. So then we can map each employee to a particular manager. And as mentioned, we are taking salary which is less than 30,000, and e dot manager id, that means manager id uh, should not be null. We should contain for particular employee that manager id, whoever whom is manager for a particular employee. And that manager information we are not having in table, right? So that manager becomes employee in table information. If we see here, uh, for employee 3, 9 is manager, but coming to know the information of manager, that manager's id should be present in employee id, then only we can say that manager is present within the company. If that is not there, then only we'll consider him as not present in the company. That's why we are checking m dot employee id, that is manager id information should be null in the table. So this is the logic here, and we are, as mentioned, return the result table ordered by employee id. So we are using order by e dot employee id. So we'll run and see whether it is working fine or not. Employee id is ambiguous, so here we need to mention we are taking from employee table, right? E dot employee id. Yeah, it is accepted. We'll run for hidden test cases to whether it is working fine or not. Hope it will work. Yeah, here you can see it is working fine. So this is the question and this is the logic applied here. So if you have any queries, please do comment. I will reach out to you. And please do subscribe and support me. Thank you. Bye bye.